Buenas and welcome to Three Brothers Roofing Company. Today we are in Rochelle Park, Bergen County, New Jersey, with another residential roof leak repair. So the homeowner, they have leaking on their bathroom ceiling. So when we came up to the roof to make an inspection and to identify why it's leaking, so we came up to the roof and we find the pipe boots is in really bad condition, and the rubber around the PVC it's all dry. As we can see right here, it's in really bad condition. So it usually happen after 15 to 20 years. So for now it's time to replace. So we will replace 1, 2, 3, and we have another one over there. We think we replaced it already. All right, so experience and quality. We provide 2 years labor guarantee with any roof leak repair. So as usual, we have to remove the whole flashing, and we don't recommend implement nails on the lower section. Usually what we do, we add some caulking so the flange will stick to the shingle, because usually those nails will cause leakage on the future. So but this one is not the source of the leakage. So step by step we will show you guys how to replace those bathroom vents pipe coil flashing. So now time to pull it off the existing pipe coil flashing. All right, so we have one out, and we have to do very much the same with the other 3 ones. So at this point we remove all those 3 ones. Okay, so now time to do some ice shield. This one we did some ice shield already, and time to install the new pipe coil flashing. This is how we install it, and fits perfect. Okay, that's it. So now time to do the shingle installation, and yeah, and I will keep recording as we're going. Okay, so we replaced those 3 bathroom vents pipe coil flashing. So from now on, no more leaking. So usually we provide 2 years labor guarantee, but of course those pipe coil flashing, it's good for another 15 to 20 years on the road. All right, so that's it for today. See you guys next time. Chop chop.